All right, this is the next installment. We still have the clipping path. We went with the brush, if you remember, right there. Whoop, whoop, boop. And then the pen's the same way. Pen has different things you can do, different textures, which is really cool. You have the sketchy texture, so it's like, might help if I, there we go. You can see this kind of like a line thing, and it's a real light orange, so you really can't see it. You gotta really kind of build up your colors. So you gotta build up your colors with it, and trail. I know I got a lag on here. You can. Oh, the size is real small. Stupid advertisements. The size is real small, so we can up the size here, just like we did before. So there's the trail. You can see that a little bit better. You can change the amount, the opacity. So the amount is like how much fluid would technically come out. So if we raise the amount, it should be darker. See how that is? It's a lot darker. Um, and you have different things shaded. I don't quite like how it colors, but it could be good for coloring large spaces and whatnot. Um, there's furry. To remove this around here. So this is furry. So it does that. It randomizes like sticks coming out. So it can give like that texture of fur. Crayon. See how crayon is? Has that texture. Make it look like it's crayon. Come on. And here's your ink. Oh, there it is. There's the clipping path. The ink is pretty solid. It's a little blotchy. But again, that's like the clipping path. We take the clipping path off, we can cover over the layer that we got. It's locked in as the background. We can add another layer and color on top of it, or create layers to color underneath it. And that's pretty much how it goes with the coloring pen. Again, you have the ink here. You have the different ones. Plain should be just a regular one. You have your size here, so you can change the size just like the brush. This is amount of liquid coming out. So like flow, it says amount. In other places, it will call it like flow, or uh, there's other ones. Opacity. We change the opacity. I'll make it lighter. And that's how opaque it is. You see how it's real light. It really doesn't build as like. There's the bell. And there you go on the pen tool. I'm going to end this video and start the next one. So this has been the video on using the pen tool with a clipping pad.